Hello everyone, how are we doing today? I still remember the Greenland. So today we want to talk about how to write and how to design our resume. How to write and how to design our resume, but other people call it CV. It's still the same thing. So before we start now, I just opened to my Microsoft Word now. As you can see here, I have doc. I have new doc, right? So it's still the same thing. And firstly, let me define my resume or CV. I will tell you the difference between the CV and resume. So, what we want to do today is how to design the CV or your resume. A resume is a document that summarizes your education, work, experience, skills, achievements, and qualification. It is usually used when applying for a job, internship, scholarship, or professional opportunity. I want to take it again. A resume is a document that summarizes your education, work, experience, skills, achievements, and qualification. It is used when applying for a job, internship, scholarship, or professional opportunity. As you can see here now, that we are in our blank page. We can start with blank page, but I just want to tell you that we have different templates for resume. We have different type of resume. Sorry, the different templates for resume. As you can see here now, you can search for resume template. Resume. Can you see my cursor now? So this is our search bar. Type resume and search for templates. Okay. So as you can see now, it's bringing different type of resume templates, right? So we are going to click on one and let's just take it one after the other. We're going to click on one. So you choose anyone that you want here. You just click on it. When you click on it, it will just bring it out. And before you can know the good resume, it usually contains your personal information, that is your name, phone number, and email and location. Your name, phone number, email, and your location. So let's just start now. You know that this one is a template, right? That's why it's bring it out like this. So the template means that it already bring out how to write it. It shows you how to write. It's like a full step how to write it. So where you to write your name, you write your name there. Where to place your pictures, you place your pictures there. I say that the good resume usually contains what? A personal contact information. That personal contact information includes your name, phone number, and email and location. So can you see my cursor now? So you just write your name, you place your name there. Like your name is Okonlomo, Okonlomo, Okonlomo Blessing. That one is this one is just for example. So your phone number, just click on it. It just bring okay. It shows that basic, right? Basic information. Your email, just write any email there. Your email, put any email there. Can you see now? So your phone number, you just put any phone number, your phone number there. You have to edit the one that is there already. You have to edit it and put. So and you click on what? Okay. So as you're clicking on okay, it appears here. It appears here. And the next one is professional summary. Professional summary is means that a short description of who you are and what you can offer. What you can offer. That is a professional summary. Here we don't have professional summary, but other people put it at the beginning of their resume. Yes, and this one ahead. This one is preferences. Your job preferences. That is the target role. This resume, right? The resume is just that. Okay, let me explain difference between the resume and CV now. Okay, resume is just the short and targeted to a particular job. maybe you are looking for marketing or sales. So this is your resume. You just design a resume for it for marketing. And CV now. CV is just the details and comprehensive, especially for academics, professional, the details of everything about yourself. That is meaning of CV. So you can know the difference between resume and CV now, okay? And this your target role, you place it there. Maybe you are looking for, okay, sales and marketing or sales executive. Just write it like that. This one is just what? It's just a guideline. Preferred city. Any city, any city you prefer. Abuja. Okay, let me put Abuja there. And your expected salary. Your expected salary. You just write it there. You understand now? After writing it, you just click on OK. So it will just, can you see now? So it's there. And your this one, the next one is education. It shows that the school you attended, qualification and dates. You just put everything intact. So you started from your primary school to secondary school to your university. So you just place everything here. When you write it there, so when you click on it now, click on it and you write everything, or you will edit it and write everything. And the next thing that you want to do here is work experience. Before you can apply for any job, you might have any experience, or you don't have experience. Just write it there. The work experience, previous job, roles, responsibilities and achievements. Your own previous job, your roles and responsibilities and what the achievement. This is where you will put it there. It's bring the start date. Can you see my cursor, right? Start date, when you started, and head date. Maybe you started last year, you end it last month, you put it there. And the title of your job, the role, the industry, the company, and what you have done there. Maybe you are marketing, so you write all the details about the marketing, what you have done, and any experience again that you have. Maybe you have any other work experience, you just add section. Is that taken now? So it's very, very simple how to do all these resume. And add section means that, okay, we have certificates. Maybe you have collected professional certificate before, or you did some course before. That is when you will add the certificates. But we had it now. You know that I've already clicked on add section, right? And it brings out certificates and all that. So you select the one that you want to add, certificates. So maybe you collected one course, or you did one course. You just add this project manager. You click OK. You understand? Add more. You can still add more. Summary about the project manager. Okay, that is it. We have done it, and we have add session again. This add session, maybe your skills. Yes, all the skills that you can add it there. Is that taking a very simple way how to create your CV? Very simple way how to create your CV. And if you don't want to use this template, you can start what? You can start from the blank document, and you will input it. You know that a good CV must have what? Personal information, professional summary, work experience, education, skills, and certificates or references. The person that you want to refer to, or person who can recommend you. If requested, you can add that one. Is that taken now? And that's how to create what? CV or resume. Another thing now, that if maybe you are connected to online, you can generate it from AI. AI can help you to generate it. And this one is your what? You upload your picture. You want to upload the picture, you click on this and you upload the pictures. So you can save it like that. Upload a picture and save. So we just only need this face. That is how to design your CV.